Many of the work activities in your garage are dangerous. For example, repairing vehicles and tyres, draining fuel and handling dangerous substances. Do you know how to work so you stay safe and healthy? To avoid fires and explosions, keep the quantity of flammable substances to a minimum and separate them from ignition sources. Store flammable liquids in stable sealed containers. And keep things tidy. When draining petrol from a vehicle, use a fuel retriever. Connect earthing straps and disconnect the vehicle's battery. And work in well-ventilated areas with a fire extinguisher to hand. When inflating tyres, use airline hoses that are long enough for you to stand at a safe distance. Inflate large tyres in cages or clamp to the floor to confine parts in case of failure. When working underneath vehicles, raise tipping trailers or vehicle cabs. Use correct, properly maintained equipment to raise the load and support it. Ensure that the vehicle cannot move. When using lifts, raise the vehicle and then rock it to check it is secure before lifting it higher. Before removing heavy parts, check this will not affect the vehicle's stability. When draining waste oil, use systems of collection. Wear nitrile gloves. And wash your hands regularly. To reduce risks of being poisoned by engine fumes, connect extraction equipment when engines are running in the workshop and always keep the workshop well ventilated. Remember that there are many other hazards that you are exposed to in your garage, so before you start any task, stop and ask yourself, how will I do the work? Do I know enough to ensure that I will not be hurt? This doesn't take long but may mean that you stay safe and healthy. Remember that additional precautions may be required in certain situations, for instance, pregnancy. Contact your local labour inspection services or other organisations that can provide you with information to stay safe, and take a look at the brochure we've prepared for you to help you work in a safe manner.